Hey guys, what is going on today? I haven't made a video in a little while. I've been traveling, I've been everywhere. It's around 2:30 here, right at 2:30 now here. I am playing some Madden as well as emailing some people and getting that all caught up, as well as taking care of the grandma and grandpa's dog for a little while. So while I'm here, I figured I'd get this ready for you guys. So what we're gonna cover today is how to play momentum stocks. So something runs up early and it keeps the momentum. So how do you play these things? My recommendation is I don't play these a ton because they're harder to find. But the minimum ones, or these ones that I do play, is something like CDE this morning. It just took off. It didn't have a great pre-market. Took off on us here. Had just one candle pull back on the 5-minute chart. And then it stayed above this right here is what I liked, because it did hit over here on this penny stock scanner that I got. If you're one of my students, you know you already have it. If not, you get it when you become one of my students. It fell back down, but right here was a perfect way. There was a bunch of walls popping up, basically saying that we're going to force this thing up higher. 535, we got in here. I ended up getting in up in here. I won the confirmation about 545. It's now at 563. I actually have already sold it up in here at around the 555 level. Didn't make a ton, but made a little bit in order to. This was like my third play today, and it was just easy to do. So with that being said, guys, I want to keep this video super short, guys. These momentum plays, you basically gotta let them run up and then come back down a little bit and let them hit some support. Support and resistance is a huge factor when it comes down to this one. Let it hit support and let it bounce back again, and you're able to make some money off of that. That being said, guys, I want to keep this video super short, and I will see you guys in the next one. If you guys have any questions, comment on below. I'd be more than happy to help you guys out, or DM me on Instagram. I'm always here to help you guys out. So I'll see you guys in the next one.